Here's how you contact Lenovo for any sort of issues. You just go to this website, pcsupport.lenovo.com/in/en/service request. You must be logged in and create a service request here. On the next page, it will ask you a customer reference number. You do not need to fill everything. Just type in your issues and you will get a call back. You can also write it there that please contact me in English only. They have both kinds of agent who speak English and who speak Hindi. So if you have a language preference, just tell them. Most of the time when I have talked to an agent, it has always been in English from South India. And now someone tells me from South India that every time they call, they only are able to talk with someone who knows Hindi. So yeah, this is the best way to contact them. Now, if to how to get here, you can just put it here if you're smart enough. I think you can figure it out. But let me take you to the complete steps. You search Lenovo warranty status. This website will open up. You go on to this website. Okay, you put in your serial number here. If you can't find it, it's in the bottom panel of your laptop. Okay, or just detect my device. It will download a small application and put it for you. Second thing, this page will open. Click on contact us. Okay, as soon as you click on contact us, this will open. If there is already a pending status, you can check it from here, repair status. But for now, just click on submit an e-ticket. Okay, and here your serial number will come. I have just deleted it for now, and you just write here everything. Okay, once you click next, my ticket is already open, so it won't happen. But when you click next, there will be a few boxes that you have to fill, but most of them can be ignored. Do remember to attach screenshots or video links, and that is the best thing that I have seen. So if it's an overheating, try to show that it's an overheating issue in a picture or something. Okay, that gets your job done so much quicker. Okay. Uh, and since you are contacting Lenovo, the first thing they will do is update your system. The first thing they will do is update your BIOS. So if you do it beforehand, that will save some time. And if you also, one more thing, if you go into Lenovo, okay, and you go into the, where is it? Where is it? Hardware scan, and you click on quick scan, okay. This will generate an already, generate a diagnostic report. Make sure you have not plugged in any external hard disk drive because that will slow this down. So if you do a quick scan, okay, a code will be generated. You save that export log. Once you run it, it will say an export log is created. You save that export log, attach that also in that same mail. Okay, here there will be an option to upload a file. Videos, I don't think longer videos you can upload, but what I have said before, upload videos to your own YouTube channel. If it shows personal information, unlist the video, drop the link in this. This is the best and the quickest way to get Lenovo to contact you immediately. Otherwise, you can sit on the phones for hours and try to move from one stupid agent to the next, to the next, to the next. If you are contacting Lenovo, make sure to if you got the ADP as I told you to, if you got the ADP as I told you to, okay. If you really have to contact them, contact the once you click on the, where is it, technical support, okay. It will tell you an option for premium care, press 1 or something, or for Legion Ultimate Support, press 2 or something. Go into that channel, okay. I have seen this that in my experience, people sitting in the premium care are a bit more knowledgeable. You can still get idiots, no doubt about that, but they are a bit more knowledgeable, and the people who sit during the night shift are, they are really excellent. They know how to get everything done quickly, very fast. Okay. Oh yeah, they will download remote access application on your system. I think it is oty.com. OTY. Yeah, this is the application. Okay, and they will take full control of your system after getting in the code. No worries. Uh, you should not be worried. If your laptop is invented, why should you be worried? Anyways, so that's it. Basically, go Lenovo website, you search Lenovo warranty status, this links comes up. Either detect my device, it will download the application, next time it won't download it, and it will fill the serial number for you. Go into this page, will open up, click on contact us, then go into submit an e-ticket, then go into where is it, hardware repair India, click on next, fill the form, be as detailed as you can be. If it's a video, upload it on your own channel, make it unlisted, drop that link. Make sure to show the issue as much as you can, to show the issue, okay, whatever the issue is in those images. This will get your job done very quickly. Hopefully that helped. See you later.